Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. Appreciate you joining us. Man, if y'all saw last Thursday's video, you noticed I had a lot of my YouTube friends over here. One of them is Harry Sue from Slap Yo Daddy BBQ out of LA. Anytime Harry shows up at somebody's house, he likes to raid their fridge and their pantry, and he makes the most amazing dishes just from what he can find on hand at your house. So folks, that's what's happening in this video. Harry Sue raided my kitchen. Y'all check it out.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, whenever I travel and cook with my buddies, collabing, and then turn the camera around to show everybody here. Right? So all these are my YouTube buddies. I am at T-Roy's home in Austin, Texas. T-Roy is such a gracious host that he allows all of us YouTubers to descend upon his home and tear his backyard and his kitchen apart. So in homage to that tradition, I have raided T-Roy's pantry, and we're going to assemble a dish paying homage to Justin, our baby man, pan over there. Justin, pan over there. Justin, our baby back Maniac. Your wife, you tell her name and where she's from.
My wife's name is Gladys, and she's from Fukien.
Fukien.
Well, actually, she's from the Philippines, but her family is from Fukien.
Okay, so for those of you who are not aware of world geography, Fukien is a province in mainland China, much like Sardinia in Italy, and Sicily in Italy. So in China, there are many, many different provinces, and every province, there's always some kind of a special dish. So today what I'm going to try to do is create a dish for her that's based on the Fujian province. The Fujian folks have a very unique noodle. It's called Fujian shrimp noodle. It's a spicy broth that's made actually of a combination of two unusual ingredients, seafood and pork stock. So we're doing a Cajun crawfish boil in T-Roy's backyard today.
Yeah.
And we also have some items which I brought from Alaska. So we have some ginormous Alaskan king crab. This is the same king crab you see in the episode of that Discovery Channel. What's that show? What's the name of the show?
Deadliest Catch.
Deadliest Catch. So these are the deadliest catch little crab morsels. So we're gonna do a seafood stock, and we're also going to combine it with some pork. So we're going to do a pork and seafood stock. I have a whole slew of ingredients which we found in the pantry thanks to Karen. And Karen found us some chili powder, some soy sauce, fish sauce, and some chili powder. So we're going to make it with some Asian noodles. So we're going to do a kind of a lasagna style casserole dish, a family pot of noodles from Fujian, China. Alright, we're going to make the noodles here that are homage to Justin Baby Maniac's wife from China. This is a province in China called Fujian province. It's got 50 million people, so it's not really a province, it's a whole country on its own. This is a very unique pork and seafood stock. We cooked it with some of the Alaskan king crab and some of Troy's crab boil, crawfish boil. And we're going to pour the soup in and then garnish it with some shallots, some garlic, some pork, and some Alaskan crab. So it's going to be super good. So as soon as the thing comes to a boil, I'm going to put the broccoli on top and then top it with some soup and broth. Alright, so we're going to do the assembly of the special Chinese noodle.
Awesome.
Homage to
Can't wait.
baby bang nails. So I'm going to garnish with the pork here.
And some of that St. Louis rib.
This is St. Louis rib that's boiled in, and we use the stock for the soup here.
Nice.
So it's nice and
Get a little tight on that for you guys.
yeah, there you go. Okay, we get some of the Alaskan crab on it. So,
Yeah.
huge chunk of crab.
Somebody's gonna like that.
Yeah, it's probably like $50 a crab right here. It's all good. All right.
Appreciate you bringing it.
Not at all, man. You can enjoy it at your leisure. I'll put it in the sink. Turn the fire off. Pour the hot ladle, the hot soup. Oh wait. Oh, why don't I do it over here? It looks better, right?
Yeah.
Because it's kind of
Yeah,
an odd
there you
angle
go.
here. Let's shoot it right here. You have a beautiful kitchen. Why am I not using the kitchen here? We're ready to ladle the soup on. And we're gonna pour this soup onto this wonderful broth with seafood and crab and pork broth. So this is the Fujian province noodle, homage to Gladys, Justin Baby Back Maniac's wife. She's from that part of the world. And this is a very popular dish for folks who enjoy a little unusual Asian style noodle dish. Okay, that's done. And very important is the garnish. So we're going to garnish it with some of the shallots, fried shallots, and fried garlic. So we can garnish with shallots. So it's also a beautiful, colorful dish. So lots of shallot. Now the difference between fried shallots and the shallots you buy in the grocery store is night and day. So do not try to do this with the shallots or the fried onions that you get for Thanksgiving. It's not gonna work. So you need to have real fried shallots, and you also need to have real fried garlic, like so. And just gives an absolutely wonderful depth of flavor, a little bit of crunchiness. So the texture is on point, the noodles are on point. We got a little bit of texture from the vegetables and all that wonderful broth that we're going to enjoy, because all the goodness from the Alaskan crab soaked right into the broth. And there you have it.
Is it good to go, or we need to bake it?
This is done, ready to eat.
Ready to eat. All right.
And I'm gonna have Troy, the birthday boy, have some.
Oh yeah, man.
And I'm gonna have some also. And get some of that crushed garlic.
Zoom in on
Get
that.
some of that seafood for him.
Sure.
And,
That looks good, y'all.
this is for Troy. Here we go. One for you. And let's see how you like it here. All right, Troy. Troy's gonna try the noodles now and give it a shot. Have with the broth,
Get some
a
of that
little bit of
crab,
the pork.
a little bit of the noodles. Come on, I'm trying to get my noodles on there. I like that crunch from the garlic and the shallot. Is that what
Yes,
that is?
it's called shallots. Yes, fried onions and shallots. And a little bit of hint of spiciness from the soup.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of sweetness from all the pork that we
That pork's super tender. Yeah, I'm getting some kick.
Yeah, a little
From
bit
that,
of
from that crab
sauce
boil?
to it.
Yeah.
And then make sure you sip the soup here. Give it a slurp it on the side. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Okay. So you get a little bit of the broth in there. Make you cheer.
Man. Yeah, I got it all over me.
It's all good. It's all good. All right.
It's all good.
So thumbs up from Troy, and we're gonna serve the rest of the party with
Appreciate that, Harry.
with this noodle inspired by
It's good.
Justin's wife from that part of China.
She's gonna be thrilled.
She's gonna be thrilled.
Thanks,
And a
Harry.
homage to Fujian province in China. Only 50 million people, so calling the province I think kind of diminishes the size of that country.
It's good,
here.
folks.
Yeah.
Yeah, 50 million people,
Mm.
and this is the kind of noodles that's very popular in that part of the world. I save the best of the best here, of my crew here. So eat this is the
This one?
Come out here
and
with
anyone's
you.
fine.
Okay.
Grab a king crab.
Grab a little one.
We gonna do the cheers thing? Or did you already
Let's
eat
do the
it?
cheers here.
Oh, I got
Everybody,
one right here.
everybody here.
Alright, ready?
Everybody, cheers. Everybody.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Happy birthday, Troy.
Hey, thanks.
birthday,
Appreciate it,
Troy.
Harry.
Okay, happy birthday. Okay, not a day over 21.
Nope, not today.
Oh, that's good.
Isn't
It's
it?
good.
That's so good.
Yep.
Harry can cook.
We
As if there was any doubt.
we throw things together in
Yeah.
everybody's kitchen.
Y'all invite him. Raid your kitchen.
Ready to get.
He'll do it.
Promise you a good meal.
If you invite me over, as a guest cook in your house, this is the kind of impromptu dish that we can create.
So good.
I know.
Right.
Awesome job, Harry. Thank
Alright,
you,
so
bro.
we check out the
Thank you.
little what do you call lobster here? I'm sorry, the little Alaskan.
It looked like
crab.
lobster, yeah.
It looks like lobster.
King crab.
Wow, super delicious.
I know. That pork's super tender, too. Excellent, excellent. Thanks, Harry.
Sheshe.
Good job.
Sheshe. Okay, so is that how you say it in the language? Sheshe. What does
Sheshe.
it mean?
Means thank you.
Thank you. Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. So there you have it, guys. Harry Sue just raided my whole kitchen, took over. Man, I'll tell you what, that was one fantastic noodle dish that he whipped up. He did use some of the crawfish boil from the, before we added the seafood to the crawfish boil, he used some of that to make his sauce that he put over the noodles. So you saw some of that. But the, man, the crisp shallot and the garlic that he put on the top added that nice little crunch, gave it some really nice texture to the noodle dish. Had spinach in there, had broccoli steamed in there. Woo, doggy, that was some fine eating, y'all. So if you have a chance to invite Harry over to your house, I'd strongly urge you to do so. The man can cook. Not just barbecue. He can cook up all kind of stuff. Whatever he's got on hand to use, he'll make you something fantastic out of it. So thanks again, Harry. And Harry, thanks again for the king crab, man. Truly appreciate it. It was great to see you. I appreciate you flying in just for that one day for my birthday party. If y'all hadn't seen that video yet, guys, y'all check it out up here. I'll put it up here for you. Crawfish boil with all my YouTube friends. Can't thank them enough for coming over for that day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, though. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subbed, go ahead and subscribe. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.